our NDEC podcast. And today, we're going to talk about the Strait of Hormuz and why it is important in our day.
To start, the Strait of Hormuz is a narrow body of water that is located between Iran and Oman. Even if it's small, it's very important because a big part of world's oil passes through it.
Yes, and because of that, many countries depend on it. If something happens there, it doesn't just affect one country, it affects the whole world.
Let's talk about the issue. The Strait of Hormuz has been a place of a conflict for a long time, especially involving Iran and the powerful countries.
There are times when there are threats to block the strait. If that happens, oil supply can be delayed or stopped, that will cost globally.
So what are the effects? If the oil supply is affected, prices go up. This means higher gas prices, higher transportation costs, and even higher prices of basic goods.
Even if we are far from that place, like in the Philippines, we are still affected because we rely on imported oil.
So, because of this problem, our countries are trying to find a solution.
Yes, like the renewable energy, so they won't depend on oil in the future.
It is also show how connected the world is today, where one issue can affect many countries.
Okay, so that is all. I hope you enjoy our podcast and see you in the next episode.